WT0446, Elena Domingo, 44 years old, married, high school graduate, 8 years domestic helper in Cyprus. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. I'm Elena Domingo, 44 years old, married. I have 3 children. And I have working before in Singapore, 3 years, and also in Macau, and 4 years in Cyprus.
Please tell me about your domestic helper in Cyprus. What was your duties and responsibilities?
I have 1 2-month boy to look after when I went there. I am the mother for him. He's been with me 24 hours, 7 days a week.
How old is the kid?
2 months old.
2 months old.
Until he gets 4 years old.
Okay.
Yes. And both of us are cried a lot when I left Cyprus, and they love me so much. The family love me so much. I'm doing some cleaning, cooking, send them to school, and pick him up as well.
Okay. So do you know how to cook Chinese food?
Yes.
What are those Chinese food?
One of those are chicken with shrimp. Yeah.
What else?
Yes. Steamed fish.
Okay. Okay. So, are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes.
How about elderly?
Yes.
So, who do you prefer to take care of? Elderly or newborn baby or preschool?
Any.
So, all of them, both?
Yes.
Okay. So, what are your hobbies? Do you have hobbies?
Yeah.
What are those?
Singing during while working, and reading.
So, you love singing?
Yes.
Okay.
And reading when I'm in my room during my rest time.
So, do you have other talents?
I know how to play computer.
You know how to play computer?
Yeah.
Okay. So, do you know how to do bottle feeding?
Yes, very well, because I have 3 sons and I have nephew, nieces.
So, what are the steps of bottle feeding?
Yeah, must clean first, do some brush, and then put to the steamer.
Okay.
To
So, what
make
else?
sure clean. Yes.
So, if the baby still keep crying or she has a fever, what will you do?
Take the body temperature, and when he has a fever, give him medicine, and give him sponge bath, and call to the mother if they are not at home.
So, can you sing me a lullaby song? Do you know how to sing a lullaby song?
Absolutely.
Okay. Please sing me one song.
Ano na nga ba? No.
Can you sing a lullaby song?
Yes. I'm just.
Okay. So, please sing me. Just one song.
I have 2 hands, the left and the right. Hold them apart so clear and bright. Clap them so please. 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry. Green little hands are nice to see. Yes. Oh,
So, if you feel homesick during your work in Hong Kong, what will you do?
Keep working and work until I get tired, and when it's not enough, I still reading books, Bible, if I'm inside my room.
So, if one of your family members will get sick, will you break the contract and go home?
No, if it's not serious enough, no, I stay.
Okay, you stay. So, how long can you work in Hong Kong, and why you choose Hong Kong as your domestic helper?
I can stay in Hong Kong as long as my employer likes me.
Okay. So, do you have any message to your soon-to-be employer?
Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. I want to work in your place if you choose me as a hardworking employee, and willing to obey your house rule and regulation, and willing to be a mother to your children during your while you are away at home.
Okay. Thank you, WT 046 Elena Domingo. And good luck to you.